Ask this question to yourself. Do you want to earn unlimited money from home without investing any money and using only your phone or laptop? If your answer is yes, then you are at the right place, because today we are gonna dive into the world of affiliate marketing, where you can earn unlimited money from home with zero investment and using only your phone or laptop. Alright, here's what we'll cover today. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? How do affiliate marketers get paid? How to find affiliate program? Best platforms to use for affiliate marketing, and at the end, I will tell you how easy to earn your first $1,000 in just 10 days. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Suppose this is a company that needs sales. We call them advertisers or merchants, and this is you who wants money, also known as affiliates or publishers. By joining their affiliate program, you are making a deal with the company that you will give them sales and in return they will pay you commission. So after joining their affiliate program, they will give you a referral link or referral code. And whenever someone purchases a product through that link, the company gains sales and you earn a commission. It's a win-win business. That's affiliate marketing, where you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission for every sale. As an affiliate marketer, you can earn money through various commission structures based on your promotional efforts. The most common payment methods are pay per sale, pay per lead, recurring commissions, and hybrid models. With pay per sale, you earn a commission when a customer makes a purchase through your affiliate link, usually a percentage of the sale price. For example, Amazon's affiliate program pays commission per sale. With pay per lead, you earn a commission when a customer takes a specific action such as signing up for a newsletter, filling out a form, or creating an account. For instance, Grammarly pays 20 cents per new sign-up. With recurring commissions, you earn a commission for every payment made by the referred customer, such as monthly subscriptions or renewals. For example, TubeBuddy pays a 30% commission every month your referred customer buys a subscription. Hybrid models combine multiple payment structures to provide affiliates with different earning opportunities. For example, Semrush pays $200 for every new subscription sale, $10 for every new lead, and 1 cent for the new sign-up. Other rare methods include pay-per-call, pay-per-click, and pay-per-install. Pay-per-call is common in industries where phone calls are crucial for sales. Pay-per-click pays a fee based on clicks generated from referral links, while pay-per-install pays a fee based on app installations. These methods are very rare. Before joining any affiliate program, carefully review the terms and conditions of each program to understand the commission structure and payment details. Finding an affiliate program in your niche is very easy. Firstly, select your niche and then search for affiliate program related to your niche on Google. You'll come across many websites offering affiliate programs. Visit the websites and look for an affiliate program or partnership link in the footer or menu. After that, sign up and become an affiliate. It's that easy. Alternatively, you can join an affiliate network, which acts as an intermediary between affiliates and advertisers. Some popular affiliate networks are Share Hustle, Commission Junction, ClickBank, and Impact Radius. You can find thousands of affiliate programs on these networks. Once you join, you'll get a referral link. Now the question is, from where you can get customers? If you have a YouTube channel, Facebook page, or Instagram account with thousands of followers, or a website, then it's easy for you. You just have to write a post related to the product and share the link in the description. If you don't have any of those, then create them. It's not difficult to create social media accounts and gain followers, although it may take time. Many advertisers want affiliates to have a good social media following. But if you are a beginner and don't have any of these, don't worry. Here are the 3 best ways to promote your affiliate link. Facebook groups. Search for groups related to your affiliate product on Facebook and join them. Then, write a post related to the product and share your link there. Answer on Quora. Search for questions related to your product category on Quora and write an answer that includes your affiliate link. Twitter. Twitter trending hashtags are a great option to share your link. By using these methods, you can reach millions of people. However, the number of people who will click on your link depends on how well you write the post. As a beginner, you can get help from ChatGPT, a great AI that can assist you in writing attractive posts for social media. If you are thinking how much you can earn as an affiliate, let's analyze a simple calculation. For instance, let's say you are interested in joining the SEMrush affiliate program, which is a popular SEO tool. According to their website, you can earn $200 for every new subscription, $10 for every new lead, which means they will pay $10 if someone tries their product for free, and 1 cent for every new sign-up. As a beginner, it may not be easy to make a sale, but getting a customer to try the product is more achievable. On Facebook, for example, you can find groups related to SEO tools with over 30,000 plus members. Joining these groups and sharing your affiliate link can help you reach a wider audience. You can also share your link on other social platforms such as Instagram, Quora, and Twitter. Assuming you share your link everywhere, it's reasonable to expect at least 500 people to click on it. Out of those 500 people, a minimum of 10 people will try the product for free, earning you $10 for each lead. This means you can earn $100 for 10 leads in 1 day and $1,000 in 10 days. What do you think about affiliate marketing now? It's important to note that there is no fixed income in affiliate marketing. Some affiliates may earn only a few dollars a month, while others, particularly those in highly lucrative niches with large, engaged audiences, can earn substantial 6 or even 7-figure incomes annually. Affiliate marketing can be a game changer for your online business. Alright, that's for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for joining me today. Happy earning!